Hi, I'm Christy with WTI, and one of my favorite things as a mom is reading to my kids. I have 2 boys, and books and bedtime are a really great bonding experience. So if you're looking for a new book to add to your collection, I cannot recommend this one enough. It's called Goodnight Construction Site, and it is hands down one of my boys' favorite books. It's simply about all the different construction trucks and how they go to bed, but it's written so brilliantly. The rhymes are so catchy. It's very beautifully illustrated. So I also like how in parentheses, they will put like little sound effects that you can read along to make it really realistic. So here it says, spinning, churning all day long. Cement mixer sings his whirly song. Now, oh, he's weary and so dizzy from the fun that keeps him busy. With one last spin, he pours the load. He's ready now to leave the road. Isn't that rhyming so cute? And the little yawn they put in there really brings the trucks to life. So if you have little boys, they're gonna love Goodnight Construction Site. And I know you'll love reading it to them as well. And that is my point of view.